Hi Sanvi.
Hi, Amma.
Let's learn machines today. Washing machine,
Washing machine,
microwave,
microwave,
television,
television,
refrigerator,
refrigerator,
mobile phone,
mobile phone,
computer,
computer,
mixer,
mixer,
toaster.
toaster. Please like this.